XBX sent over their brand new A01 Plus video glasses at just $299. But don't let that price deceive you. Under the hood, you're getting the DNA of one of the biggest AR glasses manufacturer on the planet, as XBX is direct sub-brand of XREAL. And these are packing some advanced tech. They honestly embarrass some of the most expensive glasses I've tested recently in this category. Except here, everything is wrapped in something lighter and more colorful. Finally, some colors in tech. Hey, Ty here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. Let's discover the XBX A01 Plus together in this video. Are this good enough? Let's get into it. Okay, first of all though, let's get to the unboxing, as always. By the way, as I was saying, XBX is a new brand. It's actually a sub-brand of XREAL, the glasses that we know for the XREAL 1 series that we already reviewed on the channel. And here they're trying to do something different to actually get a part of a market that was unreachable for them before, with a price of $299. That is very, very competitive for what these things actually offer. I didn't expect this. This is pretty cool. Yeah, pretty playful. Now I kind of understand the very rockety name of the A01 Plus, but there's something else down here, as apparently we're gonna have the possibility to change the shades to make it more personal. And yeah, this is the other one available to block completely the light, very tacky. Let's get inside the rocket though, as in here we're gonna find the case, and under that, 2 additional nose pieces and stickers. Man, do you remember when you used to get stickers with new products? What happened? What's so rare? Oh yeah, also the guide. Back to the case is made in a very nice and premium feeling textile material, and I love the green accent, to be honest. And inside, we're gonna find, of course, the glasses, the XBX A01 Plus. Nice shades. And this felt very light indeed. In the velvety case, there's also a pretty cool yellow cable and the usual cleaning cloth. Overall, I really like the design. They're very different from what we're used to from XREAL, and they're gonna be actually 3 different versions. But you have, of course, the possibility to remove the shade, to go naked style, very Google glasses, or to use the full blinders in the box as well. But yeah, here we are with the XBX by XREAL. Let's free the screens and let's get into them. Because what are these? These are AR Smart Viewers, video glasses. Glasses with the ability to create a giant, sharp OLED screen in front of you all the time, perfect to watch movies, TV show, playing your games, here even in full HDR10, even if the content doesn't support it natively. Also, these are platform agnostic, so that means that they will work with every device out there with DisplayPort out. Like a monitor, you connect them to your phone, to your Steam Deck, laptop, or even your PC, and console with adapters, and you have a giant screen in front of you, and they're also supported on the XREAL Beam Pro to unlock the full spatial functionalities in 3D OF. In fact, I use this kind of glasses all the time with my Rogue Ally, as they make the screen so much bigger and with better colors, being an OLED. And as I was saying, this time you can actually add HDR, even for games that don't really support it. Because one of the coolest new features of these glasses is that they have an AI HDR mode baked in the glasses. That works very well. You just get to the menu, select it, and your content will adapt to look like a real HDR. And that is not just the menu toggle, but thanks to the new screens and also the new chip inside over here, made in collaboration with Pixelwork. That sounds familiar. For better dynamic range and colors, of course. We were saying here there are 2 new screens, 2 micro OLED displays with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 each eye, running up to 120 Hz with 1600 nits of brightness. They're very bright. All to create a huge 50 degrees FOV, 147 inches TV at around 5-meter distance in front of you. And in XREAL fashion, they also support spatial stabilization out of the box. That at this price point is very rare. Actually, I think that these are the only one with that. What does it mean? How does it work? Well, it uses a 1000 Hertz head tracking to actually de-shake your screen in front of you. So instead of having just the screen attached to your view everywhere you look, with all the micro jutters and the shaky movements that your head can create, and also the vibration of the glasses can create, and all of that creates fatigue, they will smooth out the movement like you see in the video over here, like wobbly style. And it seems like a very small thing, but it really helps to change things completely to avoid motion sickness and discomfort. And by the way, it's even supported 120 Hz over here. And the other very cool thing about these glasses, well, it's actually the weight. or the lack of. As these are 18% lighter than the Ray Neo 4 Pro and 25% lighter than the XREAL 1S. Yeah, these feel very light. They're made in fact of ultralight nylon to bring down the weight and make them the lightest video glasses on the market right now at just 56 grams without the shade and 62 grams with it. By the way, the rays are flexible to actually have a better comfort, and there are three-way up and down regulation to actually have the screen get in the right spot in front of your eyes. But yeah, because we were talking about it, these are the settings. You can get to them double-clicking over here on the greenish button and moving up and down with the volume rocker. There are different display modes, dynamic mode to change from SDR to real HDR if you have something supported, or AI HDR. That will make everything you look at HDR, of course. The stabilization mode we talked about, and if you hold, you can go to the 3D mode to watch 3D movies and games via the SBS mode. Then you have the audio effect like spatial, cinema for better dialogue, whisper for less sound leakage, and of course standard and all the languages option. By the way, I was mentioning it earlier. If you have the Beam Pro from the XREAL line, this one, you can even use Nebula OS for all the spatial functionalities, Android apps in there, and full 3DOF tracking. But I really like what XBX did over here, as they were able to keep a low price of $299. Then in this economy, it really feels like a miracle. And focus mostly on visuals, ultra bright screen, comfort, thanks to the super light materials, and also the stabilization option. There's something that was always missing in this segment, and even with more expensive kind of glasses. They don't have 3DOF out of the box, but you can get it easily with the Beam Pro if you really want to. But with all this stuff, they really feel like a cost-effective option to actually get in video glasses in this price segment with some colors. And I was wondering if they really make sense to exist, but yeah, I think so. Because yeah, at this price point, it's hard to find things with the same feature set that these have right now for the very easy and direct out-of-the-box experience. So yeah, they're clearly made from XREAL. They carry their DNA, as they like to say, but in a more playful and colorful way this time. So yeah, at this price point, they have my full blessing, of course. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Do you think it's a good move to actually have these kind of glasses on the market at this price point? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech. If you love the channel, join the button there. They don't further also the Patreon. Thanks to all the Patreons who join the channel, of course. And I see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Link below.